As part of this episode of Kitchen Table Electronic Repairs, I'm going to do something that I've never done before. I'm going to put this keyboard in the dishwasher. UXW Bill does this, so I'm going to go ahead and try it myself. Now, I put motherboards in the dishwasher before, and I've always had great luck with that. But that's a motherboard. This is a keyboard. There's a lot more places that water's going to stay stuck into. Got this keyboard at our local Meals on Wheels thrift store for $1 whole. It's an AT style keyboard. And I figured, well, I'll go ahead and give this a try. Why not? This thing's pretty filthy, and it would take me a long amount of time to clean it all up. And some of the buttons are kind of worn anyway. Seems to type pretty good, though. This is a US Logic keyboard. And other than the fact that it's got a little bit of dirt on it, and who knows what was on the fingers that touched this keyboard at one time, it's actually in pretty good shape for as old as it is, being an AT style keyboard. Got this because I really needed another one, and since they had this marked for $1 whole American, I thought, why not? I think the top rack will do just fine. Make sure the cord doesn't fall down and get caught up into something that it really shouldn't be getting caught up into. And let's just see. Yeah, that ought to do it. This stuff foams up like a son of a buck when it's in the dishwasher. Let's go ahead and try it. I don't have any dishwasher stuff, soap, so let's put it on, how about we do normal wash. We're about halfway through the wash cycle here, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got so far. Oh yeah. That should dispel any myth about whether the keyboard is in the wash or not. It's fogging up my lens. Yeah, I still got some gunk on there. Maybe I'll go ahead and move it down to the bottom rack there. Put the cord back up here. Alright. Well, it's the morning after, and let's see what we got here. Oh, it definitely looks cleaner than it was. Still a little gunk there, but oh yeah, there's still some water in it, definitely. Well, it's been about 24 hours since this keyboard made a trip through the dishwasher. Had this thing sitting over the furnace vent for about a day there. And just to prove that it's working, we got the 386 booted up, which is actually a 486, but that's because there is an upgrade processor in it. This will be shown in a later video. And to prove that the keyboard is in fact hooked up, there's the cord going all the way down and into the computer. There's no magical keyboards anywhere. So let's see if this thing types. Yes, I do believe it is working. Arrow keys work. Backspace works. Enter works. Yes, we have made a complete recovery after the trip from the dishwasher, and you can see that this is the same keyboard with the little stain that apparently didn't want to come out of it. So, this is definitely a good way to clean your keyboards, folks, let me tell you what. Got all that trash that was in between the keys and down under the keys and all that grunge that builds up under there. You can see that the keys that were worn off have definitely come through and shown their worn offness a little bit more than they did before with the filth that was on there, but that's okay. There's still enough of the letter left to be able to tell what it was. I've got another keyboard I'm going to send through the dishwasher now, possibly a couple more actually. I might start doing this with laptop keyboards as well. Take care, everyone. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing all of my videos.